So guys, the first thing to do is we're going to change the foot, the regular foot. This is not a really regular foot, this is a Teflon foot. So I'm going to change it and put in my zipper foot. So this is how it looks like. This is a normal zipper foot for zips like this, and we have another one for this is for invisible zip. This is for sewing invisible zip. This is how it looks like. So I'll be using, because this is a regular zipper, this is not an invisible zip. As you can see, it's a regular zip. So I'll be using this regular foot. This is how it looks like. So the first thing to do is take this off. I'm going to be changing it. This particular part that has a hook, let me zoom this close. Please ignore this hole. This sewing machine is quite old, so we're just going to use this area and hook it under here. So you see, just hook it and then you close it. Voila, that's it. Now I already pinned here down, so what we're going to do, I gave 1 inch space, so we're just going to, all you have to do is turn your zip, you know, let the teeth here be facing the fabric itself. So turn it like so, and then you're going to be sewing a straight line. I already put a chalk mark along so that I can use that line to identify where I'm going to be sewing on. So once you do it, you pin it, use a pin to hold it in place. Now using your hand to secure your zip. So you see here is already closed. This particular place is already closed. So what you're going to do is, when you're getting close to this stitched area, I'm just going to slant it a little bit. Just, you know, let me zoom it so that you guys can see it properly. So don't just sew it all the way straight to that place, to the stitched area. Just slant it a little bit, like so. Now we're going to sew a straight line all the way down. And you lock it up. So see, it will give you a very beautiful finish. Now the next thing you're going to do is zip it a little bit up like so. Okay, now we're going to close here down as well. We're just going to see how I did it. I twisted it. So you see this place that I made a chalk mark, and sew this line up. When I first started learning how to sew, the zip was like hell for me. So take your time, lock it up. So guys, see, voila, and we are done. This is how to sew in a zip.